So we were waiting for this time, and we got to have this time and feeling the animals, and they really wanted to get out, and we got to switch. I got a guinea pig after, and my baby sister got the rabbit in my hand, and the rabbits and the ducks, all they want to just run away because they're bored staying in one cage, I think. So now I got a guinea pig, I think, and my baby sister got the rabbit that I got, and it's really cute. And the person took the rabbits and the guinea pig away because it's time to go. So me and my baby sister are taking the stickers after washing our hands, and now we're going to go into the shopping mall. Time I'll come in an interesting video. Oh, and bye. Merry Christmas. And if you liked my video, press the like button down below. Bye.